With a small team of 3 doctors in Panjim, and over the last 4 years, we have made benchmark to the eye care process in Goa. And today is indeed another proud moment for me and for my team as we expand our presence and make our presence felt in South Goa. At ASG Margao, we promise to deliver the same excellence in eye care. Cataract surgery being the most common surgery performed today. Ophthalmology जे आसा आता इतली दुयेंसां वाडला आणि mainly the two main causes of irreversible blindness, diabetic retinopathy and glaucoma, require specialized care. We have doctors specialized in one particular area of field like vitreoretina, and that doctor will not be doing cataract surgeries. So similarly, in each area of care, there is a focused delivery of care to the patient.
And I am happy that ASG पण जे काम करता, it is actually supporting the government also. Government सगळे कडेन आयचे स्पेशलिस्ट घेऊन वचपाक शकपाना. हे कॅटरॅक्ट हाडचे म्हणून. It's a good suggestion. I will also see how best it can be implemented. त्याच्या जे आसा जे लोकांक आसपाक जाय. कारण हेल्थ केअर should be affordable to the common man. We will support you all out. Anything you have said, will support you for any of the good work you are doing.